Okay, Getterman aldehyde synthesis. Getterman aldehyde synthesis will give you the alcohol to salicylic aldehyde. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, next one is preparation of acetophenone. So these were the previous were the about the acetaldehyde. Now we are going to prepare the acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone here it will be alkyl group will be methyl. Otherwise it can be done with the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. So I take this opportunity to explain about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. Once these are the Friedel-Crafts reaction, so then the reagent which must be anhydrous AlCl3 is also okay. Or anhydrous in the exam they may give FeCl3 also. Okay. Anhydrous FeCl3 also same product will be there. Anhydrous AlCl3 also must. But question is that this should be anhydrous only. Okay. What is the question? It should be anhydrous because in the anhydrous condition, water will not be there. Otherwise, water will react with FeCl3. Water will react with AlCl3. So to avoid, water must be removed. Removal of water molecule is only called as a anhydrous. Okay. So here what will happen? This structure I am drawing it RC double bond OCl. Okay. And this is the hydrogen. Understood? Now this Cl and this hydrogen will be removed as a minus HCl. Will be removed as what? Minus HCl. And the question will be there in the entrance examination. What is the electrophile? So here I am marking it with the different color so that you can remember for a long time. Okay. So this will be positive, this will be negative. So this part will be acting as a electrophile. Okay. Here I am writing it here. Electrophile. Okay. So this is the electrophile and this will be nucleophile. Okay. So already I think you are aware. If you are not aware, uh, aromatic compounds undergoes electrophilic substitution. Okay. So nucleophile. Okay. This is nucleophile. So electrophile will attach itself here. So COR. Actually COR written like this, but this double bond. This will be like this. Okay. Actual structure. Understood? Substituted benzene also. Actually this is only benzene. If something substituted also, absolutely no problem. Okay. Friedel-Crafts acylation, acetophenone. I think it is now clear. So let us see the next topic. After this class, first try to understand the concept. Then you can take, it will take 5 minutes maximum, 5 to 10 minutes. Take screenshot, then you will make the notes. Okay. That is the best way to study the organic. Once concept is made to explain, then you should concentrate on the concept. Okay. So here electrophilic substitution. Okay. Whether it is aldehyde or ketone, that is meta directing. What directing? Meta directing. Okay. So anyhow, I will be explaining short way, but this is called as a directive influence. What it is called as a directive influence. What do you mean by directive influence? That I am telling you. Understand it very, very nicely. So what is that? See, the NO2 plus wanted to come here. Who wanted to come? NO2 plus. But where NO2 will go, that will be decided by the aldehyde. Okay. So the deciding ability of this aldehyde is called as a directive influence. Okay. So there is a separate video lecture because this topic does not belong to only this chapter. Everywhere it will be used: alcohol, phenol, haloalkane, carboxylic acid, amines, everywhere this will be used. So once you are perfect in this topic, directive influence topic, you can all questions can be solved in seconds. Okay. So question will be directive influence only. Understood? So what you will do after the class, if you have time, you can write on the YouTube which chem. Okay? Which chem, then you will write directive influence. Then that video will come to you and you will read and completely use it in every chapter. In carboxylic acid also, this will be useful. Okay? So here it is a meta directing. In that I have explained when it will be meta, when it will be ortho, when it will be para. Okay. So anyhow here I am telling you in short. Okay. Here there is a pi bond. So because of this pi bond, it is meta directing. Understood? And who will substitute? So this is ortho, this is meta, this is para, this is meta, this is ortho. Okay. After so many times telling also, people are forgetting in the examination. Okay. So there is a remedy for examination. When you are in trouble, what you will do? You will take the Bhagwan name. Okay. You will take the God's name. So here also you take God's name. Om Parameshwara. Okay. What you will take? Om Parameshwara. Om means ortho, M means meta, Parameshwara means para. Okay. So this is a memory trick. What is this? Memory trick. Okay. So according to this memory trick, you can identify ortho, meta, para. Starting will be ortho, second will be meta, third will be para. So now you will never forget. Once you forget, take Lord Shiva's name, Om Parameshwara. He will help you. Okay. So next, let us see the next slide. Okay. Okay. Now next slide is about very important topic, aldol condensation. Okay. So aldol చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఎన్ని హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Tell me how many alpha hydrogens are there. Okay, I will be explaining how the four products are there when propanol and ethanol are combining together. Okay, very important example, very important question. That's why you need to attend it carefully. Okay, so let's move on to the whiteboard. Okay, see here, propanol. I will write. Suppose CH3CHO. Okay. Now here this is propanol. Okay, one hydrogen I told you as a short trick. As a short trick, we can use it like this. Understood? So here this is propanol. Okay. So this will be added here and this will attach itself here. So first product, I think it is now clear. Okay, here it will be CH3, CH and OH. Understood? Then it will be CH, CH3, CHO. This is the first product. Now I will write this side, this side. So CH3, CH2, CHO. Okay. And here this alpha hydrogen. So CH2 and hydrogen. Then CHO. Okay, so this will go here and this will go here. So what will be the answer? CH3, CH2, CHOH, then CH2, CHO. See here, there is no branch here. Understood? And 2 moles of ethanol can also undergo. This is self-aldol condensation. Okay, 2 moles of ethanol can also undergo because we are just mixing them together. Who will go and with whom they will react, nobody knows. Okay, so CH3, CHOH, then CH2, CHO. Okay, so this is the first product, and same way propanol can also react. CH3, CH2, CH double bond O, then CH hydrogen, then CHO and CH3. Okay, So here this will go and it will attach like this. See, I will write it also self-aldol and crossed aldol. Okay. Self means propanol with propanol will be self-aldol. Okay. Propanol with butanol or anything else. Then it is called as a, sorry, CHCHO, and here it is CH3. So now you cross check all are of the different products. All are of the different products. Okay. Here CHO. Okay. Now you can cross check. See, it appear to be same but different. Here it is 4 carbons are there, and here how many carbons are there? 6 carbons are there. 5 carbons. Okay. So if you name them, you will come to know about the. So these two are which type of? Very good. These two are crossed aldol. Okay. And these two are self aldol. These two are which aldol? Self aldol. Okay, that is the difference between the crossed aldol and self aldol. Okay, so now I think it is clear. So let's move on to the again slides. Okay, so this is what I have explained crossed aldol and like this question will be definitely coming. So don't neglect this topic. Okay, then Clays and skimmed it reaction. Okay, so already we have done this. According to aldol condensation, this OH will be here. So this hydrogen and this OH is removed when it is heated. Then it will give you the aldehyde. Okay. So that is called as a Clays and skimmed reaction. Base catalyzed. Okay. Crossed aldol condensation between aromatic and aliphatic. See here it is C6H5 is aromatic and CS3CHO is aliphatic. One should be aromatic, another should be aliphatic. Then it is called as a Clays and skimmed reaction. Same up to here it is aldol condensation only. After that only it is changing. Okay, is it understood? Now let us see the next one. Cannizaro reaction, V to the power of infinity, important reaction. Okay, in this total chapter, if you wanted to give some time, then you should definitely give it to aldol condensation, then Cannizaro. Okay, and some more reactions are there testing. Okay, Fehling Solution, Tollen'S reagent, that also you should give. Okay, this chapter is going to be very vital role in your rank and score. In board exam, marks will be there, and in competition, rank will be decided by this. Okay, aldehydes have no alpha hydrogen. In the alcohol condensation only, already I told you there what should be the minimum condition. Minimum there should be one alpha hydrogen. Okay, so here the question was number of alpha hydrogens in this one. Suppose the question is okay. So how to solve it, that I will explain in the board. Okay. So let us see the board. Now in the next, here it is written as C6H5CHO. So when this question is coming, people are still confused after going for the IIT preparation also, they are not able to identify. Okay. Answer to this question is 0. Okay. Why it is 0? See, this is the benzene ring. In the benzene ring, it will be like this. Okay, so this is the benzene ring. Now, in this benzene ring, see, this is the CHO. Okay, so this is the active carbon. Now, this is the alpha carbon. Okay, so alpha carbon, does it have any hydrogens? So, no hydrogens are there on the alpha carbon. Is that clear? So whenever you feel that benzaldehyde, why they does not have, this is a structural explanation. Alpha carbon is there, I also accept, but that carbon is not having any hydrogen because all four bonds are already there. Okay. So let's go back to our slides. Okay. Here this is the example. Now there should not be any alpha hydrogen, then only Cannizaro reaction. If one of them also have alpha hydrogen, then aldol condensation. If they don't have alpha hydrogen, then Cannizaro reaction. Okay. So before deciding, you should ask the reactant, do you have alpha hydrogen? Suppose it says, no, I don't have. Then what reaction you will do? You will do the Cannizzaro reaction. If says, yes, I have 2 alpha, I have 5 alpha, then you will say you will go for the aldol condensation. Okay. So aldehydes that do not have alpha hydrogens can undergo reaction disproportionation. Which proportionation? Disproportionation. Okay. It is called as a self-aldol. One molecule will undergo self-redox. Okay. So one molecule will undergo oxidation, another molecule will undergo reduction. See here, this is having no alpha carbon. This is aldehyde. Now it is not connected to any other carbon. So no carbon, no alpha hydrogen, Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So 2 moles of formaldehyde. What is the name of this one? Yes, it is formaldehyde. Okay. Common name is formaldehyde. Okay. Now when they combine with each other, there will be reduced product. This is called as a reduced product, and this is called as a oxidized, which diced, oxidized product. Okay. So one molecule undergoing oxidation and another molecule is undergoing reduction. So such reactions are called as a disproportionation. Okay. If suppose iron is undergoing oxidation, copper reduction, then it is not a disproportionation. Iron is also undergoing oxidation, iron is undergoing reduction. This is disproportionation. Here in both cases, formaldehyde only undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, because it is oxidized to give sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, in these options, what they will write? Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Same way, benzaldehyde, just now I have shown you with live proof that there is no alpha hydrogen. Okay, so no alpha hydrogen, then reduction. Suppose reduction, it will give alcohol. Reduction, it will give alcohol. Okay, on oxidation, or what? Oxidation, it will give you the carboxylic acid. Okay, both are given by the same molecule, therefore it is called as a self-aldol. Okay, and crossed aldol, like that. Okay, so total how many types? Aldol condensation are 2 types. After that, actually in advance there is internal aldol condensation also there. Okay, intramolecular aldol condensation. Understood? So aldol condensation, crossed aldol condensation, intramolecular aldol condensation. Next, Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, all our reactant will be same. First, you will decide what you will decide, alpha hydrogen is there or not. If not there, Cannizzaro. If there, then aldol. Okay, then Cannizzaro also further they have so many types. Okay. So what are those types? Now I will tell you. Okay. So first of all, this is a simple Cannizzaro reaction. This is what reaction? Simple Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. Now let's go to the what is the other types possible. Okay. So this is mechanically according to mechanism. According to mechanism, Cannizzaro reaction is a characteristic reaction of aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. Okay, those who are not able to provide alpha hydrogen, they will undergo disproportionation. Okay, so this is the mechanism. See, here alpha carbon is there, but there is no hydrogen. It is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon. So in presence of OH minus, it cannot take out the alpha hydrogen. So obviously what it will go? This oxygen will go and attach itself here. Okay. So then this will be forming as a carboxylic acid. 2 moles will be there. So 1 mole will be oxygen, another mole will be hydrogen. So OH, alcohol will be formed. So this is reduced product. Which product? Reduced product, and this is oxidized product. This is oxidized product. Okay. So here this is 3-methyl. On the alpha carbon, how many methyl are there? 3-methyl. Same way benzaldehyde. Simply CHO, you write it as a CH2OH. CHO, you will write it as a COONE. That's it. Okay. Salt will be the oxidized product. Alcohol will be the reduced product. Okay, this is the mechanism. So in presence of, always you should remember, in presence of OH minus, this will participate. Previously what was the participating? Previously what was there? In place of OH minus, this used to go to here, but there is nobody, no alpha hydrogen. So then this will start reacting, O minus, okay, and this will be C plus. So this plus is there, so OH minus will attach here. So plus and minus will get cancelled, O minus. This is called as a hydroxy alkoxide. So this is hydroxy also because of OH minus, alkoxy also because of O minus. Okay. Then transfer of hydride ion directly to another aldehyde molecule is called rate determining step. So this hydrogen will be given to another molecule which will be converted to alcohol. Okay. Then you hydrolyze, then it will be completing as a complete alcohol. Okay. Total how many steps? 3 steps are there. Total 3 steps are there. First one is generation, addition of hydroxide ion. Second one, transfer of hydride. Third one, hydrolysis. I think it is now clear. Okay. Now let's move on to the next slide. Crossed Cannizaro. Okay. Crossed aldol was, what is the crossed aldol? Aldol condensation between two different aldehyde. Here also same crossed Cannizaro. Cannizaro between two different aldehyde, or aldehyde is called as a crossed Cannizaro. Okay. So here see, one is benzaldehyde. What is its name? Benzaldehyde. Another will be simple aldehyde. Now question will be coming. Who will be salt? Who will be alcohol? Bulky group will be the alcohol. Small will form the acid. Okay. So when both are different, small will form the acid, big will form the alcohol. This is a trick. Okay. What is that? Small will form the acid, salt of acid you can say, and big will form, big functional group, big alkyl group will give you the alcohol. Big alcohol will be given. Okay. So this is crossed Cannizaro. Okay. Crossed aldol we have seen 4 products are there. Again and again I am repeating because that much important it is. Okay. Okay, then intermolecular, when both are same molecule, very easy. Both are different molecule, very difficult. Okay, intermolecular, and but that means between the two aldehydes are without alpha hydrogens. Okay, so here let us take one. One is benzaldehyde. One is what? Benzaldehyde. Okay, and another is 2,2-dimethyl propanaldehyde. So see here, aromatic is converted to alcohol. Okay, these type of products are possible. Okay, so here this can be converted into carboxylic acid. Is it understood? Sorry, it is repeated again. When both are different and one is formaldehyde, formaldehyde small one, what it will form? Yes, if it is formaldehyde, smallest will convert into, smallest is converted into what? Carboxylic acid. Okay. sorry, I've told you same. Here this is one possible alcohol and alcohol. Okay, this is carboxylic acid and this is carboxylic acid. Okay, so here this is converted to alcohol, this is converted into carboxylic acid. Here this is converted into alcohol, this is converted into carboxylic acid. Total 4 products are possible, but here only 2 product. Bigger will convert it to alcohol, smaller will convert it to carboxylic acid. Do you remember this? Okay, this is the intermolecular. Okay, which molecular? Inter. Then intramolecular, within one molecule. If you are going to exam without studying this, you are doing a problem. Okay, this is both are there. See, one part is reduced to alcohol, another part is oxidized to carboxylic acid. See, here 2 groups are there. So this is oxidized to carboxylic acid, this is reduced to alcohol. Within the 2 molecule, if 2 aldehyde are there, then intramolecular Cannizaro reaction is possible. Okay. Okay, then internal crossed aldol, crossed Cannizaro. See here, this is aldehyde, this is ketone, and nobody is having alpha hydrogen. So in within the molecule itself, okay. So this NaOH OH minus will be utilized here. This is converted to carboxylic acid. This is converted to alcohol. Okay. Is that clear? Internal crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. Okay, very good. Next, distinction between aldehyde. Very, very important for the board exam people. Okay. Aldehyde and ketone have the same molecular formula, but their structure is different. Everything will be different. So to identify, oxidation tests are used. First one is called Tollen'S reagent. Okay. What is Tollen'S reagent? Ammonical silver nitrate. Okay. This is ammonical silver nitrate will be there. Okay. So is called as a Tollen'S reagent. How it will tell you that it is aldehyde or ketone? Then if aldehydes are there on heating with this reagent, then undergo oxidation to form carboxylic acid to form metallic silver. What will be coming down? Silver will be formed. If silver is forming, that means it is aldehyde. No silver mirror. Okay. So this is called as a silver mirror test also. So no silver means no reaction. No reaction means okay, and ketone. No reaction means ketone. Yeah, reaction is there means aldehyde. Is that clear? Tollen'S test. Tollen'S test chemical name is ammonical silver nitrate. And if aldehyde is there, what it will form? Silver mirror. Simple Ag plus will be floating over that. Okay. So then, what is the next one? If ketones are there, no silver mirror. Aldehydes are there, silver mirror. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Now let's see the another test also. Okay. In every test, you should remember what if silver, what if it is aldehyde, what if it is a ketone. Fehling solution. Okay. So Fehling solution, what it is? See, chemically I will tell you. Fehling solution is alkaline solution of copper sulphate. Okay. Copper sulphate is what? CuSO4 with sodium potassium tartrate. With sodium potassium tartrate. Okay. Sodium potassium tartrate is tartaric acid, sodium and potassium. Both will be there. In the tartaric acid, at one place it will be sodium, at another place it will be potassium. Okay. So as a complexing agent, what is the purpose? It will form the complex. And aldehydes on warming with copper sulphate, okay, are Fehling solution, then give a precipitate of cuprous. Here cuprous, and it is red color. Okay. In Fehling solution, which color? Red color. Okay. In Tollen'S reagent, which color? Silver mirror. Okay, silver mirror. Who will give when it is aldehyde? Okay, if it is not aldehyde, then they will not give. Understood? So aromatic aldehyde do not give. Main problem with this test is if aldehyde is there but benzaldehyde, then Fehling solution will not be given. So that time we will think that it is a ketone, but basically it is aldehyde also. This is the limitation of the Fehling solution. Okay, even though it is aldehyde, but it will not behave as aldehyde. Okay, and third one is the test is Benedict solution. What is the third one? Benedict solution. Benedict. Okay, so what is Benedict? Everything is same. Only thing tartrate there it is citrate. Okay, sodium potassium tartrate it was there, now it will be citrate ion used as a complexing agent. Okay, so this is the complex and red precipitate. Here also red precipitate only formed. Okay, Benedict and Fehling solution oxidized only aliphatic, no effect on aromatic. Okay, so they don't use. If you feel that aromatic is there, then there is no use. Okay, then fourth test, total four tests are there. Tollen'S reagent, Fehling solution, Benedict solution, and Schiff reagent. Okay, Tollen'S test is completely different. It will give you the silver mirror. But Benedict and Fehling solution will contain sodium potassium tartrate, whereas the other part, what is that? Benedict solution will contain citrate. Okay, so both will give you the red precipitate. Then Schiff reagent of aqua solution of magenta or pink colored pararosanilin, okay, hydrochloride, has been decolorized by SO2. Then when aldehyde is treated, decolorized solution of Schiff reagent. Okay, so it's a pink magenta color is restored. So this is used to test aldehyde but not ketones. Okay, so that means Schiff reagent also with the aldehyde only. Okay, aldehyde is there, so you will come to know in four ways. Fehling solution, Tollen'S test mirror, silver mirror, Fehling solution, reddish brown precipitate, Benedict solution, reddish brown precipitate, and Schiff reagent, pink color or magenta color will be regained. Okay, these are the four tests. Understood? And reagent also, I think you all will remember. Okay. Okay, next one, uses of carbonyl compounds. 40% of solution is called as a formalin. Formalin used in antiseptic, germicide, disinfectant for the preservation of biological specimens. Suppose if you are a doctor and you wanted some testing, how the what do you call snake looks inside, or how a frog will look inside, like that, for preserving so many years, then we will use the formalin. Okay, then used in making the synthetic plastics like bakelite, urea, formaldehyde. These are all we will study in the polymers, resin and another polymeric product. Okay. Then many metal carbonyl compounds like vanillin, that is vanilla beans, salicylic acid, meadowsweet, cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon. So we will use food also. Okay. Benzaldehyde, butyraldehyde, and acetophenone. So these are some uses of the carbonyl compound. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Other reaction for advanced. Understood? This is only for those who wanted for medical side, those who want a compulsory seat in medical or AIMS. Okay. So AIMS and AIMS is the lowest fees. I think all of you are aware or not. Lowest fees is in the AIMS only, but highest packages will be in AIMS only. Okay. Just 5 to 6,000 is the expenditure for AIMS. Okay, but 60 to 80 lakhs for the other private colleges. So if you want to save 60 to 80 lakhs, then work hard, then you will complete the MBBS from the AIMS. And when you are coming out as a doctor from AIMS, definitely you are going to get some recognition automatically. Same BTech from IIT, then you will get automatically. And if you are a girl student, definitely you will have extra edge. You will have the so many seats. Okay. So extra seats are for girl students. So don't neglect this opportunity. If you join in IIT oblique NIT, okay, then you can save, you can complete the BTech in 2 lakhs only. How to reduce the fees? Okay, there is a option fee remission. Okay, when you join the BTech, there is an option fee remission. How to use that option? What form you have to submit to the IIT or NIT to get that fees back, and you have to pay only 2 lakhs. Okay, how it is done? That already you can type which came fee remission. Which came fee remission, that complete video will be there. If not you, if one of your friends okay, already cleared their BTech, sorry, joining IIT or NIT, they want some fees back, then they should go for them. And otherwise, if you join a private college, they will pay 25 lakhs. If you join an IIT by hard work, you will pay only 2 lakhs. That means you are saving almost 23 lakhs. Okay, so that much difference is there. Small hard work will give you. If you're a medical student, you are saving some 60 to 80 lakhs. If you're a BTech student, you are saving 23 lakhs. Okay, so that is the advantage of studying from the Chem, where you will not only study chemistry, but also all information will be given to you, including how to clean the WhatsApp. Okay, so there is a feature in the most of the people don't know. Weekly you can clean your WhatsApp automatically. Okay, how to clean that? That also procedure is given. Okay, how to delete WhatsApp unnecessary messages, so that you should have only required things. Okay, so I like that advanced examination for AIMS exam. If you want the seat, then this hard work you have to do. Okay, this can co-reaction. Okay, all aldehyde, let it can have or it don't have alpha hydrogen, no problem. Made to undergo Cannizaro reaction. The treatment with aluminum ethoxide. How you will identify? With this aluminum ethoxide. Okay. However, under these condition, alcohol and acetic acid produce as a result of Cannizzaro reaction combined together to form ester. Actually, when you combine two things, it will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction will produce alcohol and carboxylic acid. But alcohol plus carboxylic acid, what they will give? They will give you the ester. Okay, Tiskenko reaction is formation of ester. Okay, formation of what? Ester. Okay, so but only thing there we used concentrated alkali, and here we are using aluminum ethoxide. That is a difference. Okay, so that is the Kenko reaction. Now I think it is clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the next advanced exam syllabus. Okay, Perkin reaction. Perkin reaction also sometimes called as a condensation. Condensation means alpha, beta. Okay, 2 alpha. So condensation means two molecule combined together, then it is called as a condensation. So condensation is affected when aromatic aldehyde, okay, aromatic aldehyde or aliphatic acid anhydride. See, this is aromatic. Aromatic means, see here benzene ring is there, aromatic aldehyde, and this is anhydride, acid anhydride. Acid anhydride structure, actually this will be like this. but they never write in the exam completely. There will be R, there will be R dash. Okay. So this we are going to study in the carboxylic acid also, no problem. So this is the acid anhydride. They both will react to form the alpha beta unsaturated acid, aromatic acid. Okay. So this is a carboxylic acid. This is alpha carbon. This is beta carbon. The acid anhydride should have minimum 2 alpha hydrogen. Minimum 1 is there in which reaction? Okay, next one more reaction, schimidit reaction. So this reaction between the carbonyl compound, between what? Carbonyl compound and hydrozoic acid. Okay, hydrozoic acid of a strong acid concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, to form primary amines or derivatives. Okay, whereas ketone gives amide. Okay, so here if it is aldehyde, see this is what it is giving, primary derivatives of primary amine. Okay, whereas ketone will give you the amide, CONH2 it will give. Okay, that is what the schimidit reaction. Okay, everywhere what you have to remember, three things you will remember: what is the reactant, what is the reagent, and what is the product. Okay, so there are some tests for the acetone. Acetone is the best solvent, but sometimes we forget after some days what was that, this is acetone or not. Then you will add sodium nitroprusside in presence of NaOH. Then wine red color changes to yellow color. If the stored compound is acetone, that will be converted from wine red color to which color? Yellow color. And indigo test. Okay. So orthonitrobenzaldehyde plus acetone, then diluted KOH gives a blue color for indication. Sorry, it is indication. Okay. So indigo tin. Understood? So this is at the further test of acetone. Okay. I think all of you understood. No problem with the aldehyde and ketone. So much practice is required. Special practice is required in the aldol condensation, intramolecular, intermolecular, Cannizaro. Okay. And three tests. At four tests I have told you, but at least three tests. Tollen'S reagent, Fehling solution, Benedict. Sometimes you can remember Schiff reagent also. Okay. Okay, that's all for the day. See you. Bye bye.